Managing online classes at Digital Nepal is now easier for schools with the Digital Nepal integration with the Zoom. Do you want to know how it's done? Let's take a look. First of all, log into your Digital Nepal SMS system with your school teacher or admin account. After login, just click on the top left menu icon and go to online classes and click on create. From here, you can create your new online virtual classes. For that, you must add your Digital Nepal app to your Zoom account. So, just click on add to Zoom button. Now you are requested to sign in through your Zoom account. Just click on authorize. And yes, it's done. Now you can start creating your online classes. Just click on start online class button. And from the top right corner, you can see a button create virtual online class. Just click on it and you will see a form from where you can create your first online virtual class. You can choose your grade and you can choose the classroom. You can create the topic for your online class. And that's it. Just click on save. And yes, your first virtual online class is now created. You can go to the actions menu and you can either start the virtual class or you can edit the virtual class. If you need any modification, you can just change it and you can click on update, or you can either delete your virtual class. And that's it. You can just copy the invite URL and you can share it with your students, or your students with the specific grade and classroom can log in with their SMS account and they can join through your online class just created. And now the student can access the online virtual class either using the invite URL or they can access it through their SMS account. After login, the student can just click on the online class, and on the right hand side they can just click on the join button and they can join the online class.